Is there an international money transfer app hiding in your phone? Ever needed to send some cash to a friend quickly? Maybe pay a roommate back for their share of the internet bill? In today's digital age, who carries cash anymore, right? This is where money transfer apps come in, super convenient, often free, and seemingly perfect for those split-second financial needs. But with so many options out there, it can be confusing to know which one is best. You might have heard of Zelle. It's a popular choice in the US, but what if you need to send money internationally? Does Zelle work across borders? Let's dive into the world of Zelle and see if it can be your international money transfer hero. Zelle, fast and easy in the USA. Imagine this, it's your bestie's birthday and you completely forgot to get them a gift. No worries, you can whip out your phone, open your banking app, and send them some cash with Zelle. It's typically free to use between enrolled banks in the US, and the money arrives almost instantly. Sounds pretty sweet, right? Here's the thing, Zelle is designed for domestic transactions only. That means both the sender and receiver need to have US bank accounts. So, while it's a fantastic option for splitting bills or sending a quick birthday gift to your college buddy across town, it won't work if you want to send money to your aunt in Argentina or your cousin in China. Why the US-only restriction? There are a few reasons why Zelle keeps things domestic. Firstly, it focuses on a secure and familiar network of US banks and credit unions. This streamlined system allows for the super-fast transfers that Zelle is known for. Secondly, international money transfers involve a whole different set of regulations and currency conversions. Zelle might simply not be equipped to handle those complexities at this time. International money transfer alternatives. So, if Zelle is a no-go for your international needs, don't despair. There are plenty of other money transfer services available. Some popular options include Wise, known for its competitive exchange rates and low fees. Wise is a great choice for sending larger sums internationally. WorldRemit. This service focuses on speed and convenience, allowing you to send money directly to bank accounts, mobile wallets, or even for cash pickup. Remitly, another user-friendly option. Remitly offers transparent fees and a variety of delivery methods for your international transfers. Finding the perfect fit. The best international money transfer service for you will depend on a few factors. Consider things like the amount you're sending. Fees can vary depending on the amount you're transferring. The destination country. Some services might specialize in certain regions. Delivery speed. Do you need the money to arrive instantly, or are you okay with a slower transfer for a lower fee? The takeaway: keep it domestic with Zelle. Zelle is a fantastic tool for sending money quickly and easily within the US. But remember, it's not your international hero. For those global financial needs, explore the many other money transfer services available. Do some research, compare fees and features, and find the option that best suits your situation. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.